Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make your snack video account private. Okay, so if you make your snack video account private, then no one can able to see your post except your friends. Okay, so how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn. Here you can see the snack video apps. Click on this, and after that we need to go here. You can see the option bottom right corner. Click on this, and after that here you can see the option, this icon. Click on this, and we need to go where we need to change is privacy settings. Click on this and scroll down a little bit, then here you can see the option private account. So this is easy, you just turn on, and your account will be private and no one can only your followers can see your post. Your permission will be needed for future follow request. Okay friend, today is no more, and I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching this tutorial.